Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. This is the Samsung S9. Let's see if it's worth your money. The S9 design is similar to the S8 with some minor changes, like the fingerprint scanner is just below the camera with the S9. The build is pretty much same with the current flagships, front and back glass with aluminum frame, which to be honest isn't a good idea in terms of durability, since glass breaks easily. If you're planning to buy it anyway, then I would recommend a skin or cover just to keep it protected. And by the way, it's a fingerprint magnet. The S9 packs Exynos 9810, which is an octa-core CPU, and it's accompanied with Mali G72 MP18 GPU and 4GB of RAM. Well, it also runs on Android Pie, and now we have the Samsung One UI, no more touchwiz. The overall performance is amazing. There are no lags when opening or switching between apps. Everything is responsive. I can't complain when it comes to the overall performance, since everything runs as it should. We have a single rear camera which is 12 megapixel, and it takes amazing pictures with great colors and contrast. Photos produced in low light are also great thanks to the f1.5 aperture and the OIS. The same applies to the video, which can capture up to 4K. Samsung flagships are usually amazing for both videos and photos. By the way, the autofocus is pretty fast and accurate too. With the 3000 mAh battery life is good, but not the best. For moderate users it's fine, you can easily get a full day with it. But heavy users, just stay away. With the S9, you have other options to unlock your phone, like face unlock. The fingerprint scanner is accurate and fast, but not the fastest. So for the big question, is it worth your money? Well, this is a solid device with good build quality, good battery life, amazing camera and performance. I would recommend it. But if you can get an S8 Plus or S9 Plus, then it's better. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.